All right, quick insert into my first fan test video. This is the test apparatus for generating my CFM numbers. It's just a little duct. The 140 is going to be less accurate than the 120, where it's a much better specified size. And we'll try to get some CFM numbers. So this is my janky test for how I'm going to be doing CFM. I know the exact diameter of this cylinder. I've got the fan running through it, my anemometer at the back, and I couldn't find a 140 millimeter size duct, so this is 150 millimeters. So my tests will be consistent with each other, but they're not going to be consistent with like all mediums. So you need to apply a conversion factor if you want to compare my data to other places. As stated before, you will not be able to test CFM of 140s versus 120s, as they'll be using different size ducts. And this is the janky setup for the 120 millimeter fan. So I have another one of these coming in, but I don't know if it'll come in time before I have to return these to their owner. But this is not quite 120 millimeters on the inside diameter. So it means that it's not going to be as what I originally wanted it to be. But all the tests will be consistent with each other. So all the data for 120 millimeter fans will be comparable to each other. But there may be some losses for actual CFM because there'll be a small restriction that you can actually see right there at that lip. So it is a little bit more of a restricted flow than I was originally planning on. Fan test through a thin stack. .6 at 955 RPM. 722 RPM. One fan through radiator. 0.4 meters per second.